David Bean. I'm here with
Maya, I number
Sumaya. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum.
People say that the friend we had during our childhood, we can't grow with them till we are old.
We can, but it depends
Depends on.
on so very many things. Maybe distance, but
So I believe distance can stop.
not completely, but the bonding, the level of bonding between you guys is mostly likely to change because of the distance.
Or there's no physical meetups and everything. So are you trying to say that someone who has traveled from one place to another, you can keep in touch?
You keep in touch, but then just like I told you, the level of bonding. Trust me, if let's say you've been around, we've been going out together, we've been sharing most of our moments together. This time around, when let's say you've traveled, yes, we shall still be in touch like before for like something like a year, 2 years. But as time goes, I will get some other friend around who I'll go out with, because I want to stop going outside because you've grown, you're no longer around. So I'll have to get a friend to go out with, and maybe I'm now sharing the memories with her. If we've been maybe talking on phone on a daily basis, it's going to reduce to once a week, twice a month, something like that. So in that way, the bond is no longer strong like before.
Let me debate on that. I think it's because of the current generation.
How?
Because long ago, we didn't have phones and a means to communicate. And people loved each other so much. We could use letters.
And those were
And that
generation.
No, don't say that. That's why I say it depends. But it's not about friendship like lasting for, like you said, lasting because of
that's it.
distance and what. Because
if I've been
long time ago,
generation,
meant nothing.
If I've been born in this generation, there's no I'm going to relate to something that was there in the 1900s. I mean, how would I?
That means then distance is not the issue.
It's an issue in our generation. Most of those guys didn't even have a lot to talk about. Like, it wouldn't be stuff on a daily basis.
It is the issue with the young people. Okay, let me say that. But
no, not young. Even if you called someone who is actually old in their 60s, they will still say the same thing.
No, they won't.
Come on.
They won't. I'm sure if my parents, one of my parents met an old friend, they will sit, they will catch up old time stories, and they will bond.
No, I was about to say that. Maybe where I can agree is when they come back, you'll catch up so easily. Like, the bond is going to continue so fast. You'll, get closer so fast. But then the moment she's not around or he's not around,
no, they will go, and even when they come back, they'll still bond.
That's what I just said. You bond, but like it will be easy for you to catch up. But when they're not around, for like 10 years, 10 years.
You're super.
I mean, in the time when he or she is not around, the bond won't still be so much like before when she was still around.
That's true, but I believe it depends on how important the person is to you. But as for distance, okay, let me give an example. Okay, have you ever had a relative, or maybe one of your family members, who's traveled abroad for a while and stay there for 10 to 20 years now? Do you stop talking because of distance, or you keep in touch and it remains your sibling despite the distance?
I don't know why you just don't understand this. I said you keep in touch, but the rate of the bonding at the moment when he or she is not around won't be the same. To an extent, like at some point, I've been somewhere, maybe I won't be excited to tell you about my day, just like I used to do it when you were around. Let's say I'd gone outside your home and maybe I've met some good stuff around along that day was nice. I'm coming back, like I'm so excited to find you home and explain to you, jazz you, But then when you travel, now we're on time for 5 years. You've traveled for 5 years. Like, I find it, I even become lazy to come back and have to call you just every day on a daily basis. That doesn't work. However much you will keep friends, but not so tight.
How about you?
Unless when they come back.
How about your partner? 5 years.
Partner. It depends. I mean, communication
Mm-hmm.
is key. When she
Okay, which is bringing it back to the point, like it depends on how valuable the primary was to your eyes.
No, do you expect me to communicate with you like I do with my partner or a friend? For a partner, it is at some point a title to me to talk to you all every day. Oh,
So why should he be the same?
she's just a friend.
My God, young generation of nowadays.
She's just a friend. And just remember, at some point, some people are not your friends. They are maybe colleagues, who are colleagues, workmates, schoolmates, classmates, something like that. Then we used to bond at school, something like that.
Yeah.
So now when you travel,
Mm.
in that, maybe we used to take it in the context of your friends because we were at school together.
Mm.
Yet in actual sense, we weren't friends.
What just because we are
Yes, we were connected because of the school, because of the work, because of,
Yeah.
But the moment you travel,
with us.
now something that has been connecting us is no longer there.
Mm.
So, which is not like something with a partner. A partner, you're entitled to do that. To call me, to judge me how your day was.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, did you sleep? You're gonna take that.
Right. So do you have a partner?
No,
So you're not entitled to anyone.
no, I'm not.
Why? As of nowadays, you are the problems and you're talking about these things as if it's the problem.
Me not telling you about that doesn't make me a problem.
Okay, why are you single? Okay. Exactly.
Maybe
So
not that time yet for me to have. I've not met that person yet. Yeah.
8 billion people,
Mm-hmm.
close to 9.
Oh.
Sad.
Yeah.
Very sad.
It's not sad.
Have you ever met a friend who is so fake that
Ooh, yo. Yeah.
when you
I've ever been a fake friend.
you've been a fake friend
Yes.
before?
Yeah.
Someone.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not afraid.
Don't be.
I'm not afraid.
Don't be.
Why?
No, okay, what I'm trying to say is fake friends are real and they are actually so common today. To an extent that, especially to people who have trust issues, you trust so fast. Yeah, man. You'll be having to handle with fake friends all the time.
Give me a story of that fake friend.
A fake friend. For example, no, a fake friend, you can most of the time see them from the things they do to you. Now, for example, let's say I have an enemy. Okay, let me say an enemy. Someone we don't get along with. And you are a friend to that person, and then you're my friend. You will never be my friend. You're just a fake friend.
What if that person gets along with everyone? So
Then you're not a real friend to someone.
so you expect because you're enemies to someone, your friends also to be enemies to
Very well. You need to be enemies. Not these bad enemies, because as well, it's not that the person is going to be my bad enemy. We won't greet. No. Just because you're not my friend, I won't stop greeting you.
Come on. Positive salam.
Yes.
Oh, salam.
Even if I know you don't like me and I pass by, I will say hello. It costs me nothing. But deep down, you're not my friend, and you also know that. Just like I would love my other friend to do like that as well. Not passing by here and then they abuse you. No, not that. But why do you bond with him or what are you talking about?
So I think if they bond, they're talking about you.
At some point.
No.
At some point.
No. There's just people who are good at socializing with others. They can be a friend, actually a close friend, and even a close friend to your enemy, and those.
But to be honest,
when
when you're a real good friend to someone, you shouldn't be
so if you
to their enemies. Especially, you shouldn't actually be close friends to their enemies.
Okay. How about you define to me who a friend is to you?
A friend.
Is there. I'll understand it better.
A friend is someone who actually understands the worst side of you, but still likes you the way you are. Maybe, yeah. A friend you can call at any time of day or night in case you're in trouble. A friend you can share your good memories with. Let's say maybe you're at work and you've gotten an increment in salary or something, you'll be promoted to some level. A friend is that one person you will think of and be like, I want to call her and let her know. That is a person I call a friend. A genuine friend.
Yeah.
And maybe when they do the same with you,
like
it's not one-sided. You're the only person who will call her. I got promoted. I got some guy. I did what. But they don't take nothing that term energy.
It's born to be shared.
Because why would I tell you everything and you just don't tell me anything and we are friends? That means you have some other friend you tell.
No, there are friends who are selling. For example, myself.
No. Then you've not gotten a real, genuine friend. Maybe if it's not for you guys, but us ladies, that has to be somewhere.
Someone. Now I understand. I understand something. I understand why when a man has a beef with a lady, all her friends have a beef with that guy.
And just about it. Tells you it's over. Then the whole committee of the friends has agreed.
I understand. It's like they're always part of the relationship and whatever that has been.
They're required to guide.
I think women are not the best people to give advice.
But who are the best people there? It depends in what sector.